The Farmyard Friends Sunset Adventure. Once upon a time, on a peaceful farm nestled in the rolling hills, lived two fluffy sheep named Sally and Sam. They had a kind-hearted friend, a clucky hen named Henrietta, and her proud rooster husband, Rocky. Together, they watched over two adorable little chicks, Charlie and Chloe. One beautiful evening, as the sun began its descent, casting a warm golden hue over the farm, the friends gathered near the big red barn. Two haystacks stood tall nearby, and a wooden fence enclosed their cozy little haven. Sally, Sam, and Henrietta gazed at the setting sun with wonder in their eyes. "Isn't it a magical time, just before bedtime?" mused Henrietta. Rocky, with his feathers puffed up, agreed. "Indeed, it's the best time for a farmyard adventure." Chloe and Charlie chirped excitedly, "Adventure! Adventure!" With their hearts full of enthusiasm, the group huddled together. "What should we do?" wondered Sally. Sam looked towards the haystacks. "I've always wondered what's inside those haystacks. Maybe we can find something exciting." Henrietta clapped her wings. "Great idea! Let's explore." Carefully, they climbed the haystacks, little chicks fluttering up with excitement. Inside, they discovered cozy nests of straw, perfect for bedtime stories. "We can tell bedtime stories here," suggested Chloe. As the sky turned a beautiful shade of orange and pink, each friend shared their favorite stories. Sam told a tale of brave sheep who outsmarted a cunning wolf, while Henrietta clucked about a daring rescue mission she once led. Rocky regaled them with stories of his morning crowing routines, and Sally shared a heartwarming story of friendship between two sheep, just like her and Sam. As they shared stories, they noticed the moon and stars starting to twinkle in the night sky. It was time to head back to their cozy barn. With contented hearts, they descended from the haystacks and returned to their barn. Under the soft moonlight, they settled in their comfy hay beds, snuggling close. "Good night, dear friends," said Sally, Sam, Henrietta, Rocky, Charlie, and Chloe. As they drifted into slumber, they realized that adventures could be found even in the most familiar places, especially when shared with cherished friends.